All right, and welcome back to the channel. It's MotoRocs321. Go on and hit that subscribe button, thumb up the video, ring the bell notification so when the new videos come out, you will be the first to know. And with that being said, let's go on and get started. Recently, you probably saw my crashed Omega video. And this is kind of like the repair that's going to take place. This is all the stuff that I need to do the repair. Also, before I get to that, be sure to check out in the link below. You'll see a link to my site, and you'll see there is a ASTRON Omega short film called On the Way to Disaster. Go on and click that, support that. It's only $3.99. You can get it, download the movie, watch it. It's a short film. And you'll see what took place, and you'll see some discussion thereafter and stuff like that leading up to that flight. So go on and check that out. Support that. Support anything on the website. I got the zine. Where's the zine that I can't find? Oh, here's the zine. I have a zine. I am an artist. Shout out to those that did support what I do. I'm an artist. These are all just some illustrations and drawings I've done. Started back during the COVID time. I had a collection of them. I just kept them. They're all black and white, kind of space sci-fi drawings and things like that. Let me see. Yeah, all kind of various subjects in there. You'll see all sorts of stuff in here. I draw astronauts. I do all kind of space stuff. Been doing it for a long time. And but with these, what makes this different is I added little motivational quotes attached to each one of these drawings. So you're not only getting a nice picture of some rocket type stuff, but you're also getting some words of encouragement and some words that can help you or help another. These make great gifts. So this one's a turn sideways deal like that. Yeah, it's all kind of like cool stuff, kind of cool drawings and stuff that I do. I'm also a painter, but these are all illustrations. I was just doing them in black and white. I had the black paper, now drawing in the white ink and using ink, pen and ink, Sharpie, stuff like that. So yeah, be sure to pick up a copy of this. This is on the site along with the ASTRON Omega film. So there you have it. There you have it. But other than that, let's get back to this. So with this, the rebuild is pretty much going to be straightforward. It's all survived. The booster, this is the booster. The fin can, this survived. It hit the ground. It shot itself way up and it came down after ejection. So that survived. This is the body tube. I went on and cut away the bad, the main sustainer anyway. I cut away the bad part, added this coupler. It's not glued on yet. So this is pretty much ready to go. Just have to add these two fins. I already added one fin. The fins popped off from impact. So this is going to be good to go. Shouldn't be an issue. Parachute, shock cord, shroud line. All this is all perfect. This is good. The only thing I'm going to have to replace is this screw eye right here because it got ripped out of the payload shoulder. So I got ripped out of that section. You can see it kind of all just glue, just that wood just stuck to the glue and everything. So I'm just cut that out, get rid of that and replace that. So parachute section, I have two cones. I have a couple of these cones. I can just choose the black or the white one. It don't really matter. So let's just say this is the payload section. That will go here. This is the shoulder. Get that marked at the halfway point. This will be glued. This section will be glued. Payload will be left open. And yeah, once I get the screw eye in there, all that will attach. Yeah, it's not a whole lot here to do. I mean, I'm pretty much, the main part is just measuring, getting the centering rings, getting all this, getting the motor mount back in using these centering rings right here, 24 millimeter, or it's BT, this is what, BT 60 to BT 50. So yeah, getting all this put together. This is the original thrust ring that was inside, all burnt up, but I have a brand new one right here. Same engine hook, kind of burnt up. See, it's a little bent right there. I can probably flatten that out. It's a little bent right here. I'm not sure when that happened or how, but I'll flatten that guy out. Yeah, there we go. So get that guy bent, kind of flattened again. I went a little past. Went a little past where I wanted to be. Just a little. There you go. About right there. So yeah, that's good. So this engine hook's still good. This is the engine hook holder, so that'll go in here. Yeah, like I said, pretty much an easy fix. Easy fix. Just get all this measured. I had the instructions. They're around somewhere. The ASTRON Omega instructions are somewhere. This is the vintage. This is a K52 K52P, I think it was, or K52Q, one or the other. But yeah, so once I get all this, get this in here. This is the rest. No, this part is the rest of the body tube that was damaged. So this is just a repair part. So this will go on here. I don't want to push this coupler back down in there. I got it stuck in there earlier. So this will go here. And this is pretty much the whole rocket. Once I get it all glued up and get stuff filled and get spirals filled, I'm going to hit it with some more paint, get it back nice. Motor mount will go in here. I know this engine hook I'll be even with this body tube. That'll go in there. And yeah, we'll be doing good. We'll be back in business soon. And this will be flying again. Yep, this will be flying again. We will be back in the air. We'll need a new altimeter. I'm going to hit this again with the silver, do my color scheme that I had like last time. I think I had a white payload section on here. I may go all silver. I'm going to see. I may even get new decals. I'm going to see. I may just fix them all up, make it nice. I actually have enough parts to do another one of these. I have one already built that's kind of, it was a Simrock one. But I just wanted to rebuild the one that had to crash. So this is where I'm at with this. Get this thrust ring in here, get some measuring done. So today I will be getting all this put in. And I'll probably be able to finish this today actually. So this is not looking too bad at all. I'm very close to home with this thing. So this is not bad at all. I'm in pretty good shape. Yeah. So like I said, go on and check out On the Way to Disaster. Check that film out and support any way you can. And also Above the Surface, go get you a copy of that. That is on the site also, link below. Also IN_321 over at Estes Rockets. Shout out to Estes. Go on and put the discount code in there and get yourself a discount over at Estes and see what happens. See what happens over there. And just check this out. This is my another build that I'm working on right now. So let's check this out right here. All right, so next project I want to show you. You see right here is the Rotor Raptor. You've seen this fly. If you haven't, if you're new to the channel, go check a few videos back. You'll see a Rotor Roc right here. Launched like a regular rocket, comes down like a helicopter, blades swing out and come on down safely. So right here we will have, that's the Rotor Raptor. Here we will have the Rotor Dactyl playing on the pterodactyl, the giant prehistoric dinosaur flying bird of sorts. So that's what this will be. These three parts here. This is the upper part. I already have the mounts for the blades, openings for the ejection gases to escape. This is all BT80. Here I joined a single section of BT80 with another partial section. It's going to stand 4 feet 11 inches high, so almost 5 feet tall. Got this is the section we're holding that will hold the motor. It's a 29mm motor mount because this is going to be a big boy. You can see how much bigger the fins are compared to the Rotor Raptor. It's a all-out taller rocket. It's a bigger rocket. So watch out because it normally knocks something over when I make these. So yeah, you can see the size of the fin right there compared to the Rotor Raptor. It is definitely a big rocket. Let me see if I can get this tube on here. I had to join these couplers to make this. So there we go there. And then this is just an old cone I had. It's gonna get all cleaned up. I'm trying to see, I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as paint. I normally leave these kind of without paint so they can stay kind of lightweight. Hold for one quick second. So yeah, so here it is all together. It's a tall one. Sorry about that backlighting. It's making it kind of dark. But yeah, you can see next to the Rotor Raptor, it is very big. There's a little marking there I have for where I will put the hole that will hold the blades. I have the blades done. The blades are 3 feet. These are my I already mounted these parts here, and I did a unique thing. I for the hinges I added them to glued them to a piece of balsa. And I sanded the balsa to the shape with the curvature of the tube. So it sits right in there really nice. So it's not just like a flat piece glued onto a curved piece. So it's kind of sitting in there pretty nice. Plus this will be mounted down similar to that with the Kevlar thread. So that will be all like epoxied on there, really nice. But yeah, overall it's coming along pretty good. It's not far from being done. Got to get the blades on, a few other pieces. Got to get the hooks and everything that's going to hold the rubber bands in. That's going to make the blade swing out like hooks similar to those. So there's some work to be done. So I'll be working on that. Just wanted to share this with you guys. This is the Rotor Dactyl. It is coming soon. it will take to the sky on 29 millimeters. This should be a spectacular flight. Big old blade's going to swing out, and it's going to come on down. And that's what we're going to do. Still got to get my launch lugs added on there and some other stuff, but for the most part, we are moving good with it. So stay tuned. This is Model Rox 321. Subscribe to the channel, support the channel, check the links below, watch the new film, support the new little zine above the surface, and we will be back with more stuff for you guys. Model Rox 321. I'm out.
Step beyond the ordinary with Above the Surface, a captivating collection of science fiction-inspired drawings by model rocketeer Keith of Model Rockets 321. This zine features striking illustrations that push the limits of imagination and creativity, paired with motivational quotes to inspire and fuel your drive. Whether you're chasing dreams or need some positive words, Above the Surface is here to elevate your journey. Get your copy today while supplies last.